Hey guys, this is Jeff from GoPro Do It. Today we have a Mercedes Benz W204 C250 turbo. We have a leak in the coolant in this pipe. You can see the leak when I push the pipe, so it's leaking. Today we're gonna change these two hoses and we're gonna add the original coolant to this car and fix this problem. You can see here the coolant spraying everywhere. We're gonna begin removing this connection. Got this one here. I have a broken connection here, guys. I'm gonna deal with that after I finish. I'm gonna loosen all the connections carefully.
Do you recall not long ago when you would walk on the sidewalk? Innocent, remember?
Now with the T25, we're gonna remove the connection here.
We were bold and young. All around, the wind blows. We would only hold on to let go.
Now I'm gonna try to remove this steering wheel oil container, so I would get enough room to remove the parts.
Fire gun, we need someone to lean on. Rockets, fire gun, all we need is somebody to lean on.
To remove the upper hose, we have this 8mm connection that is connecting both hoses together, so we have to loosen this bolt and then remove the upper hose. Now we need to remove this hose clamp.
What will we do when we get old? Will we walk down the same road? Will you be there by my side, standing strong as the waves roll over?
Now, after draining the coolant from the motor side, we're gonna remove these T8 bolts and the covers in order to drain the radiator.
Longing for you to come
This
home.
is the nozzle and this is the valve. We need to turn it counterclockwise and drain the whole system. So now, guys, I'm gonna put back this hose, the plastic hose, to the intake manifold that goes to the turbo. Now the thermostat, we're going to install it. I have bought the original two hoses. So this is Mercedes. This is the tag number 271-224-52. We need to get this hose into the intake manifold tube.
The wind blows, we would only hold on to let go. Rockets, fire gun, we need someone to lean on. Rockets, fire gun, all we need is somebody to lean on. Rockets, fire gun, we need someone to lean on. Rockets, fire gun, all we need is somebody to lean on.
Next, we're gonna install the hose that goes back to the back of the motor. Next is the thermostat electrical plug. Then this hose in here. Now we're gonna tighten this steering wheel box. Now we're ready to add the coolant and the distilled water. The whole system would take like around 6 liters, so half of them should be the antifreeze, and for me I've got 3 liters of antifreeze, the Mercedes Benz, the original one, the red, which is the new technology, and these are the specs, and I've got distilled water as well, so I'm going to mix them and fill the system. I guess the system took more than 5 liters, like around 5.5 liters. We're gonna turn on the car and leave the system. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for more videos.